Welcome to a sanctuary of sophistication at Classics Plantation Estates in Lely Resort. As the original owner's cherished abode, this home greets you with grandeur through its imposing iron and glass doors. Inside, luxury unfolds with tray ceilings, dramatic lighting, and exquisite molding. Each room is a canvas of custom paint, creating a distinctive designer ambience. Practical elegance is evident with customized storage in closets and a 3-car garage. Step onto the oversized Lanai, where the pool and spa extend the width of the home, offering a haven for relaxation and entertainment. The kitchen, complete with a wine fridge, and the bar area offer an ideal layout, separating the owner's suite and office from guest rooms. Experience the breathtaking views through the upgraded picture window screen, with the eastern rear exposure providing mesmerizing sunrise vistas. Additional features like a water softener, tankless system, and plantation shutters enhance the living experience. Available with negotiable furnishings, this home is not just a residence, it's a lifestyle choice. Complemented by Lely Resort's array of amenities, including 3 championship golf courses and a vibrant sports and lifestyle club. Discover the pinnacle of Naples living.